Okay, so this video is for how to make an account on SketchUp for free. You will look up SketchUp online as I have done here. You'll click the first one. You'll go over here to this right corner and click sign in, new user, create an account. You'll put your first name, last name, email. It will send you a code. You put in the code and you should have your account then. If you leave and come back to it, you can type in SketchUp login and click the first one and then click SketchUp for web and it'll come up and you can start modeling. I have to sign in, but let me sign in. So I am in, and then you click start modeling. And once it loads, it'll bring you to this page where once you start making the models that I ask you to make, you can save them here as I have done here. Before you start one, you'll want to click this arrow and click decimal meters. Make sure it's on that one. And then you'll create new, or you'll press create new, and then you'll be on your page to make your models. And this is Ty. Ty is a nice guy, so be nice to Ty. But yeah, that's it.